sending your location in WhatsApp, let's say that you've gone off by yourself and you need to tell your partner to come get you, or they just want to know where are you. They want to keep track of you. Here is how you do it. In WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is just used a lot internationally as a means of communication. So I'm in WhatsApp, I'm messaging with Jim Guld, and I just want to say, here I am. To add your location, you tap on the little paperclip and choose location. And you have a choice to just send your current location, just a one-off. Here's where I am, come get me. Or you can share live location for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. So if you say, I'm going to be gone off on my own all day, if you want to see where I am, here is my live location for 8 hours. Now we have another video. Jim and I believe in sharing our location with each other all the time. And Google Maps can do that. Under location sharing, we have share with each other continuously. So we don't need this, but if WhatsApp is how you're communicating,
that might be the way you do it.
You can do it.